Hey everyone, welcome back, and this time let me show you how you can close the keyboard on your Android device. So of course, if you get to any place where the keyboard is needed, so you click on the text field somewhere, obviously the keyboard appears. But you can notice that below, the three buttons at the bottom of the phone, which is the home button, multitasking panel, and the back arrow actually turned to downwards arrow, right? So as you can see, this bottom right button actually makes the keyboard disappear. So as you can see, it is pointing down. I can click on it. The keyboard is gone, and now the back button is pointing toward the left, which is like to go back generally. And that's how you can hide and close the keyboard whenever you need to make it go away. For example, let me open up the messages and let's just start a new one randomly, right? So as you can see, I'm trying to look up some person in here. Again, the keyboard appeared at the bottom, and then the left arrow button turned to down arrow, which again will hide the keyboard. So that's essentially how it works. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to find the close keyboard button on your device as well. Subscribe so you never miss anything important and tutorials like this in the future. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.